We'll be fine. Here is an update from Illinois. Thank you for sending us this. We asked for it. Sonia, Stockton, Illinois.